Hello, all my dear students. A very warm welcome to Sri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Dear friends, my name is Ajay Gulati and I am your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion or quantitative aptitude portion. So, dear friend, this is the last chapter of this series of this course. As you can see on the bottom side of the screen, today we will be discussing the lecture statistics and I will be doing all possible questions from this chapter, maybe in one or two classes. 5 into 15 is 75. Okay. And 10 into 20 is 200 divided by the mean of 15 observation. This is 275 by 15, or you can say 270 plus 5 upon 15. This is 15 multiplied by what will give you 270, that will be 18. 18 plus 1 by 3, that is 18. 1 by 3 is the average of the entire group. Okay. I have taught you all this to solve this by alligation method also. Now the next question we have, find the mean of the following distribution. We are given some values. See, either you can do it directly, or if you want to do it in a systematic manner, like you have the values x like 4, 6, 9, 10, 15, their frequencies being 5, 10, then again 10, then a 7, then a 8. Okay, like this, these are the frequencies. So first of all, what is the summation of frequencies? N is equal to summation fi. Number of values means sum of fi. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 5 is 40. So we have total 40 values. Now fi xi. See, the sum of these 5 values will be what? 5. So 5 values have a value 4. 5 values, 5 numbers have a value 4. So 5 into 4, 20. 10 values have a number 6, this is 60. 10 values have a number 9, this is 90. 7 values have a number 10. Okay, 7 numbers has a value 10. 7 numbers has a value 10, 70. 8 numbers has a value 15, this is 120. Okay, now this is what? 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 90, 170, 170 plus 70 is 240, 240 plus 120 is 360. So what is the mean? Mean is the sum of all values, that is summation fi into xi divided by summation fi. Summation fi means sum of the frequencies. These are frequencies like 5, 10. Value 4 is repeated 5 times. Value 9 is repeated 10. So the frequency of the value 9 is 10. Okay. So this will be 360 divided by 40. That is 9 is the mean. Okay, dear students. Let's proceed to the next one. Find the mean of the given distribution. See, you have the values x as 15, 20, 22, 24, like this. Then what are the frequencies? The frequencies are, this 15 is repeated 5 times, 20 is repeated 8 times, 22 is repeated 11 times, this 20, 25 is there 23 times, this is 18 times, this is 13 times, this is 2 times. Now what is summation fi xi? 15 into 5, 75, 160, 22 into 11. See, this will be, you can say double of the 11 square, 242. 480. This will be 24 square minus 1, 570. 5. 30 into 18 is how much? 540. 33 into 13. 330 plus 99. 429. In the last, it is 76. So, summation fi. What is summation fi? First of all, add these values. 5, 8, 13. 13 plus 11, 24, 44, 67, 75, 85, 85. This is 100. Okay, these are 100 values. What is their sum now? See, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 6, 27. I repeat, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 2 carry. Now I'll add this like 7, 7 to 9, 9 and 16, 25, 25 plus 24, 49, 49 plus 48, 97, 97 plus 57 will be 50, 154, 154 plus 154, 208, 208 plus 42, 250, 250 plus 7 is 257. So the mean is what? The mean is 2577 divided by 100, or 25.77 is your average. Does it make sense, dear students? Mean is what? Mean is actually summation fi xi upon summation fi. What is summation fi xi? This is this value. You can have a look at it, dear students, before I take the next one. Missing value of m for which the following distribution, if its mean is 12.58. Mean is actually what, dear students? Mean is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Okay, this is what the mean is. So let's find, first of all, what is summation. This y is actually summation fi. Okay, the summation fi is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 22 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2. Now 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 22, 37, 37 plus 7 is 44, 48, 50. So this is 50. Now summation fi xi will be what? 5 into 2, 10. 8 into 5, 40. 10 into 8, 80. 22 into 12, 220 plus 24. 220 plus 24, 244. Okay. Sorry, this is 264. This is like 220 into 10, 220 plus 22 into 2 is 44. 264 plus 7m plus 80 plus 50. Fine. So summation fi xi is how much? Summation fi xi is 120, 130, 130 plus again 130, 260, 260 plus 264 is 524 plus 7m. Now what will be the mean is, see, this mean is given to you as 12.58. This will be equal to what? Summation fi xi is 524 plus 7m divided by 50, or I can say 125.8 into 5 is equal to 524 plus 7m. 125 into 5 is 625. 5 into 0.8 is 4. So this is 629 plus 524 plus 7m. In between, this is equal to, if you subtract this from this, you will get 105 is equal to 7m, or m is equal to 105 by 7, that is m is equal to 35. I'm sure this must be clear to all of you. Okay, dear students. Fine. Let's take the next one. Find the missing frequency in the following frequency distribution if it is known that the mean of the distribution is 1.6. Dear students, the mean is given to be 1.46. See, how will we proceed with this? As we have discussed, first of all, what is the total frequency, number of accidents? Okay, total number of accidents, that is what? That is summation fi. This is Okay, you have to find this particular value. So free you have to, that is summation fi. Let's say this value is x. This is summation fi. This I say as 200. Okay, I'm saying summation fi. This summation fi is given to you as 200. What is summation fi? Let's say this value is x and this value is y. You have to find this. So this is like 46 plus x plus y plus 25 plus 10 plus 5. So 200 is equal to 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 5, 40, 40 plus 46, 86. 86 plus x plus y. Or I can say x plus y is what? 200 minus 86 or 114. Now summation fi xi, that is total number of accidents. This will be the total number of accidents. See, 46, 0 into 46, 0 plus x plus 2y, 3 into 25, 75, 4 into 10, 45 into 5, 25. This is summation fi xi. Now, dear students, what is the mean? Mean is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. The mean is given to you as 1.464, and this is what? 75 plus 25, 100, 100 plus 40 is 140, 140 plus 140 plus x plus 2y. I repeat, this is 0. This is 0, 75, 25, 100, 140, 140 plus x plus 2y divided by what is summation fi? Summation fi is 200. Okay, this is given to you. This is given over here. So 200 into 1.46 will be 292 is equal to 140 plus x plus 2y. So this comes over here and gets subtracted. 152, I write it in detail. 292 minus 140 is equal to x plus 2y, or I can say x plus 2y is equal to 152. This is equation 2. I repeat, I put this equation 1 over here. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 114. What I do, equation 2 minus equation 1 will give you x and x cancel, 2y minus y will be y. 152 minus 114. This is 38. Okay, so y is equal to 38. Now x plus y is equal to 114. So x will be what? 114 minus 38. X is equal to 76. So we have x is equal to 76 and y is equal to 38. This is your answer, dear students. Okay, clear to all? Fine. Let's proceed towards the next one. Now, dear students, we have to find the median of the observation. Okay, what is the median of observation? Dear students, median is actually the middle value. Median is the middle value of observation. Median is the middle value of a set of observations. I will put all the values in ascending order. Then the value which is located in the middle will be the median. See, let's see. The values are the values are 12, 17, 3. Let me write it a bit below. Values are 12, 17, 3, 14, 5, 8, 7, and 15. Okay, I am rubbing this. I am saying assume the values to be, I am saying suppose these are the values. Okay, these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am just saying assume these values. I'm missing out this 15 right now. Let's say this 15 is not here right now. I will do this question 15 again. Okay. So what will happen? I will write down in increasing order. Increasing order. What will be it like? First value will be 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 17. Okay. So here, what is the middle value? The middle value is the one located in between, like three places to the right, like to this middle value. There are three values to the left and three values to the right. So this is the middle value. This is 8. This is the median. Okay. Now I take this question again with this value, last value 15 also. Okay. The median of the observation. Now the value, we have the values 12, 17, 3, 14, 5, 8, 7, 15. Increasing order if I write these values. These are like 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12. After 12 it is 14, then it is 15, then it is 17. Now here we have two values in the middle. Two values in the middle. Why? Because these are even number of values. These are even number of values. These are even number of values. So we have two values in the middle. When we have two values in the middle, so median will be what? Median will be the mean of these two values. Median will be the mean of these two values of these two values. Median will be the mean of these two values. That is, the two middle values are like this, 18 and 8 and 12. Therefore, median 8 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 20 by 2 or 10. Option number D is the answer, dear students. Okay. Am I clear to all of you? Fine. Let's say this is the first question. This is the second question. Find the median of, the values are 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These values are low or already in ascending order. So what will happen when these values are already in ascending order? Median will be the middle value like this. Three values to the left, three values to the right. So 10 is the median. 10 is the median. Next, second one is 21, 22, 27, 28. Okay. Now, what is the mean? Here the median is the mean of the two middle values. Mean of the, here odd number of values we have, odd number of values. Here we have even number of values. So median is mean of the mean of the two middle values. So that way it will be what? 24 plus 25 by 2, that is 24.5. This is your answer, all my dear students. Clear to all? Fine. Let's proceed ahead. Till then, you can have a look at this before I move further. Let me bring the next question. So now, dear students, we come to the mode. Mode, for finding the mode, we have a formula. What is mode? Mode is actually that particular value which is repeated most number of times in a given set of values. Mode is that particular value that is repeated most number of times in a given set of values. Okay, dear students. So the formula for mode is 3 median minus twice of mean. This is the formula for the mode. So the mode will be thrice of what is the median? If the mode of a data is 18, okay, and its mean is 24, then the median is fine. This will be the median. 18 is equal to 3m minus 24 minus 2 into 24. So this comes over here and gets added. 18 plus 48 is equal to 3 median. So 3 median comes out to be 66, or the median is equal to what? Median is equal to 22. Now I'll take some direct question based upon mode. Look, mean is equal to 16, median is equal to 50. Find the mode. What is the formula for mode? Mode is thrice the median minus the mean, twice the mean. So that is thrice median is 50 minus twice the mean. So twice of mean is what? Twice of 60. 150 minus 120, that way mode is equal to 30. I hope it's all clear to everyone. Okay, let me proceed further. Now here we have been given the mode as 70, mean is 100, find the median. We have done this question similar to this. Mode is thrice the median minus twice the mean. If I just put the values, 70 is equal to thrice the median minus twice the mean. The mean is given to you as 100. 70 plus 200 is equal to thrice the median. 270 is equal to 3 into median. So median will be what? 270 by 3. Median is equal to 90. Okay. Next question we have is, now we have to find the mean. See this one. What is the formula for the mode? Mod is 3 median minus twice the mean. Put the values 400 is equal to 3 into 500 minus. So this way twice of mean will be what? 1500 minus 400. Twice of mean will be 1100 or mean will be 1100 by 2, that is 550. Clear to all? Let's proceed towards the next one. The difference between mean and mode is 63. Mean minus mode is 63. Then the difference between mean and median is, you have to find the difference between mean and median, or you can say median minus mean. You have to find this. This is a little bit tricky question, but yes, you can easily do it. See, what is the formula? Formula is mode is equal to thrice the median minus twice the mean. For your convenience, I am writing this as mode. Difference could be anyways a minus b or b minus a. Okay, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. What do we require? We have mode minus mean. We have mode minus mean. So what do? I subtract mean from both sides. When I subtract mean from both sides, what happens is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Sorry, it will be like mode minus mean. Let me write this by blue color. Mode minus mean, again minus mean. So when I am subtracting this additional, what happens is mode minus mean is equal to 3 median minus 3 mean. So that gives me mode minus mean is equal to triple of median minus mean. Okay, dear students. So what is mode minus mean? Mode between mean and mode is 63. This will be triple of this value x. So this implies median minus mean is 63 by 3 or 21. Now I just want you to memorize the small result. Mode minus mean is equal to triple of median minus mean. You could have directly said the answer. The answer will be 63 by 3, 21 is the answer. Clear to all of you, my dear students? Okay. Let us proceed towards the next one. Now, dear students, we come to the properties of mean and mean. Okay. See, before I do this question, see, let's say, let's assume that there's a mean of a set of values, mean of a set of values is m. Then, if each value, let's say this mean is x, okay, or a bar. If each value is increased by I, then the new mean becomes then the new mean becomes a bar plus I. Okay, one thing, if each value is multiplied by m, then the new mean becomes a bar into m. Again, if each value is multiplied by m and then increased by I, then the new mean becomes a bar m, or m into a bar. M means multiply, plus I is the increment. Okay, or one last thing, if if each value is first increased by I, then multiplied by m, then the new mean becomes the last thing I'm teaching you is not asked very much, a bar plus I into m. Okay, the first three are used frequently. The last one is not used that frequently. Okay, just give me a second. Let this cluster settle down. I don't know what is this technical mistake. Just give me a second. Now the question: the mean of 16 observations is 8. A bar is what? 8. If 2 is added to each term, what is the I? I is 2. To every term, 2 is added. What will be the new mean? So the new mean will be a bar plus I. That is 8 plus 2 or 10 will be your answer. Is it clear to everyone? Let's take the next one. The average of 12 numbers is 9. A bar is equal to 9. If each number is multiplied by 2 and added to 3, the average of the new set is, see, we have done this. First, each number is multiplied by m, then it is increased by I, What will be the new average? What will be the new mean? The new mean will be m into a bar plus I. What is m? Each number is multiplied by m. What is the m? By 2 and added to 3. I is 3. So let's put the values. 2 into 9 plus 3, that is 18 plus 3 or 21. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, let's proceed ahead. The value of mean and median are 5 and 6. Then the value of mode is, see, the formula for the mode is thrice the median minus twice the mean. That is thrice the median minus twice the mean. 18 minus 10 or 8 is the answer. That is option number A. Clear to all of you? The median of the observations arranging ascending order is 24. Find the value of x. See, I told you median is actually the middle value. Let's place the values 11, 12, 14, 18. Then it is x plus 2. Then it is x plus 4. Then it is 30. Then it is 32, 35, 41. 11, 12, 14, 18. 11, 12, 14, 18. X plus 2, x plus 4. 30, 32, 35, 41. What will be the median? Median will be the mean of two middle values. Okay, so that will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2x plus 2 plus 6 divided by 2, or x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3. X plus 3. Am I very clear to everyone? This is your answer. This is the median x plus 3, sorry. Now x plus 3 is given to you as 24. This implies x is equal to 24 minus 3, 21. I hope it is clear to everyone. Find the median of the following data: 19, 25, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32, 51. I repeat the values: 19, 25, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32, 51. Let's find the median. Okay, arrange an ascending order first of all. Arrange in ascending order. What will happen? The smallest value I can see over here is 19. Now I think 25 is the smallest. Yes, 25 is the smallest. 25 gone. Then I think this 30 is the smallest. Let me check. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, 30 is the smallest. Then 31, then 32, then 35, 30, 31, 32, 35. All these one. Then 48, 51, 59. 48, 51, 59. 48, 51, 15. All values are gone. Okay, how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 values. We have 9 values or odd number of values. So when we have odd number of values or odd number, therefore median will be the middle term. Median will be the middle term. What will be the median? That will be 32. 32. Median will be 32. Now 25 is replaced by 52. Okay, so the new values are 19, 25 replaced by 52, 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51, 59. Arrange these in ascending orders. Arrange in ascending order. When I arrange them in ascending order, what happens? 19, 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51, 52, 59. Median will be the middle value. Median will be the middle value. So what will be the middle value? So middle value this time will be in between. It is 35. 4 values to the left, 4 values to the right. That is 35. Clear to all? Okay, let's take the next one. The following data have been arranged in descending order of magnitude: 75, 60, 68, x plus 2. Students, this question is more easy than it appears actually. 45 and 40. If the median of the data is 60, find the value of x. See, dear students, increasing, if you want to find the median, increasing or decreasing does not make any difference. Does not make any difference. Okay, for median. For finding the median, increasing order or decreasing order does not make any difference. First thing. Now, these are eight values. These are eight values. That is even number of values. These are even number of values. Therefore, median. Therefore, median will be what? Median will be mean of two middle values of two middle values. What will be the mean of two middle values? See, this is 2 more than x, 2 more than y. Directly, this mean will be, I'm not even calculating, I'm just saying this is x. Why? Eh, See, 2 more than x, 2 less than x, if you add up 2 and 2 will cancel, so mean will be x only. So this x is given to you as 60. Okay, 60 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 60. This is your answer, and I am sure this must be clear to all my dear students. Okay, any doubt so far? Everything clear to everyone? So, my dear students, I think we have done enough number of questions with this topic, with this chapter, and I can wind up the class. And dear student, this is the last class of this session of this entire series. This has been a long route. So far, we have done a lot of things together, and from my side, I have done each and everything with utmost honesty. I haven't left anything that could be asked in your exams. And I assure you, dear students, if you practice all these things thoroughly, you watch my videos, you just write down each and everything I've taught you, just repeat these questions as many times as you can, you will definitely succeed in your exam. Sometimes I have gone a bit above than the level asked in the exam, but believe me, whatever I have taught you, being an experienced teacher, I can say I have taught you the best possible way, and I have covered each and everything. So, dear students, practice all that what I have taught you as many times as you can. There is no wastage of time. Just do proper time management. Don't waste any time in social media or any other activities which don't let you study. So be very focused towards your studies and crack your exam in the very first attempt. That will be all from my side. Thanks a lot, dear students. Take care. Bye bye.